Hey Falcons, I'm Jerry Thomas, your finance coordinator with Fanshawe Student Union. Today, we are at Fanshawe Oxford campus asking around students about financial literacy. Let's go. So, what is a term for a plan that outlines how to spend and manage your money?
That would be a budget.
Oh my God.
A budget. Budget?
Yeah. That sounds good. That's the correct. What type of bank account earns interest when you deposit funds?
A savings account or a GIC?
Tax-free savings account,
Saving account?
or a GIC,
Savings account.
or mutual funds.
Name the place where students can purchase discounted movie tickets on campus.
In the best booth.
The biz booth.
Like down in the J building? No? Yeah.
The biz booth.
Financial tip of the day: track your income and expenses through a budgeting tool. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. That's a wrap for today's Financial Literacy Challenge. Keep a lookout on our social media channel for more financial tips. I'm Jerry Thomas, your finance coordinator. See you next time.